Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Warmbox and ManyReach. So to get started with a quick overview, Warmbox is an advanced email warm and deliver ability tools designed to improve senders' reputation by stimulating real human engagement. It's also ideal for cold emailers who want to make sure their emails land in the inbox instead of spam folder. It also integrates with the most major platforms or email providers and automate warm up across multiple inboxes. I'm talking about ManyReach on the other side is an all-in-one cold outreach platform that tools up with multiple channels prospecting, including email, LinkedIn, Instagram. It also offers a built-in AI, personalization, inbox rotation, deliverability check, and contact verification, making it a perfect for teams that want to scale outreach efficient without needing a separate tools. I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with Warmbox. Warmbox is best for email warm-up and improving inbox placement. And the pricing plan can be a little bit, okay, little. So the pricing starts around $15 per month per inbox and higher plan skills with volume. I'm talking about ManyReach. ManyReach is best for cool mails and social outreach for automations hard skills, and the pricing starts around $59 per month and also have a 7 days free trial. So here's the overall conclusion. You can simply choose Warmbox if you already have an outreach tools and simple needs the best deliverability boosters to make sure your emails hit the inbox, and it's perfect has warm up companions to tools like Lemlist, Instantly, and Mailshake. On the other side, you can pick ManyReach if you want an all-in-one cold outreach platform with a multi-channel support and automation built in. It's best for users who want to send, manage, and optimize code campaigns without juggling multiple tools. So let me know in the comment section what's your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.